So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to remove sensitive video on TikTok. So let's get it started. So let's open it. Now you should have to tap on profile icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap here. Then you can see the three line which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll down below and you will see the option of accessibility. So tap on it. Now you can see the option of remove photosensitive videos. So enable it by tapping here. Now your sensitive video will be automatically removed from the TikTok and it will not available on your feed or for you page. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.